Hey artists, Nieves here with another short tip. Here are 3 reasons why you should try thumbnail drawing. Reason number 1, thumbnails set the scene. Think of thumbnail drawings like the scenes in a movie. Each sketch captures your art as if it were a still frame in the major motion picture of your mind. To make one, rough out your thumbnails with different shapes or even more detailed drawings. These practice runs help develop ideas faster by figuring out proportions, depth of field, and visual hierarchy so that the right things stand out. For reason number 2, thumbnails are really great for color practice. Can't decide which colors to use? Duplicate your thumbnail at least 3 times or more to try out different palettes. Replace your worry with fun color experiments that set you up with the right color palette before you really start. Here are some examples with bright, dark, and even crazy colors. Which ones would you pick? And finally, reason number 3, thumbnails help with lighting. With all the colors set, next you can try some pretty incredible light experiments. Do this by using layer blend modes to figure out the light and shadow. These modes will help create shadow, while these are perfect for highlights and lighting effects. Practice realistic techniques or create unique experiments for the perfect cheat sheet for your art.